Good morning. Today we have learned about the Mathematics Form 1, Chapter 12, Data Handling. Subtopic is Data Collection, Organization, and Representation Processes, and Interpreting of Data Representation. Okay. Now we go to the learning standard. Okay. The objective is convert a data represent to other suitable data representation with justification. Interpret various data representation, including making inference or prediction. The last one is discuss the importance of representing data ethically in order to avoid confusion. Okay. How do you convert a data representation to other representation? A data representation can be converted to other suitable representation for further analysis. We can see here the analysis, the example here. Okay, you can see the picture also here, the profit of Usaha Tegas Company. Okay, the bar chart shows the profit obtained by Usaha Tegas Company from 2010 to 2015. Convert the bar chart representation to another suitable representation and justification for other conversion for the representation. So, this is the solution. Okay, means that we can draw a bar chart to change to the line graph. Okay, means that it's the same, but you just change the representation to the line graph. Okay, so the bar chart representation is converted to a line graph representation because the line graph is suitable for displaying data collected over a certain period. That is the profit performance of Usaha Tegas Company over a period of the 6 years. This one you need to give the justification. After you draw the graph chart, the line graph, okay, the line graph, okay, and then you need to give the justification why you choose this one. Okay. Next example, the same self and leaf plot shows the result of a survey on the plus rates per minute of patient fit at a community polyclinic. Convert the representation to a dot plot and justify the conversion for the representation. So, if the question given a stem and leaf plot, okay, what we can choose? The solution. The solution is we can choose the stem and leaf dot plot. Okay, you can change the stem and leaf plot is converted to the dot plot because both of these representations are suitable for displaying numerical data distribution and at the same time retain the original data value. So means that it can be same lah. Okay. Next, how do you interpret data representation? Okay. By interpreting data representation, we can obtain information and hence make inference and prediction. You can see the example. So this is the question. So this is the line graph. We read together. The line graph shows the best of the West in 1000 ton product in a city from 2010 to 2015. Okay, it have the 5 questions here. You need to answer all. Okay, what is the mass of the West produced in 2010? What can you say about the mass of the West produced in 2011 and 2014? Find the mean mass of the West produced over a period of 6 years. Take one inference based on the line graph given. Based on the trend of the line graph, predict the mass of the West produced in 2016. See the solution. So number 1 is the answer 1900 tons, okay, from the line graph. Okay, B, the mass of the waste produced in the 2011 and 2014 are the same. Total mass of the waste produced over a period of 6 years. So means that you need plus it together. So you have 13,200 tons. Okay, divided by 6. So the answer is 2,200 tons. Okay. Okay. Means you need to find out the mean. Okay. So The answer of D, the mass of the Western produce decreased in year after the year 2012. And the E is the 1,100 tons. Okay, question number 12. Okay, example. In the quality control laboratory, the lifespan to the nearest hour of 34 dry cells are tested. The data obtained is represented by a dot plot shown. Okay. Also have 4 questions here. You need to answer all. State the maximum and minimum lifespan of the dry cells test. Step 1 inference based on the data from the dot plot. The quality control laboratory has decided that the dry cells with a lifespan of less than 10 hours will be considered effective and thus will be rejected. Find the percentage of the dry cells that will be rejected. Number 4. It is known that 50% of the dry cells have a lifespan of at least X hours. Find the value of X. So the solution is the maximum lifespan is 20 hours. The minimum lifespan is 8 hours. Most of the dry cells have a lifespan from 30 hours to 20 hours. Number of dry cells with a lifespan of less than 10 hours is 3. Percentage of dry cells rejected 3 over 24 times 100%, and the answer is 12.5%. Okay, 50% of the number of dry cells, or 50 over 100 times 24, is have 12 dry cells. Okay, from the dot plot, we are 12 dry cells with a lifespan of at least 17 hours. Thus, X equals 17. So, means that 12 dry cells. So, before that, okay, this one. So, the total is 12 dry cells over here. Okay. So, what is the histogram? A histogram is the data represent that display group data. The data is the data that is collected in intervals. Okay. This one is like the histogram lah, the height of the girls from the 50 girls. The question is, find the number of girls with height from 155 centimeter to 159 centimeter. A girl with a height of the 160 centimeter and above is eligible to participate in the volleyball team. Find the number of the girls who are eligible to participate in the volleyball team. By observing the shape of the histogram, make an inference based on the distribution of the height of the girls. Okay, you can see the solution here. Okay, question A is 10 girls. Question B is 3 girls from here. Okay, only 160 until 64 is only 3 girls with the height. Okay, most of the girls have height of the 145 until 159. So, the frequency polygon is a graph formed by joining the midpoint of the top of each bar in the histogram with straight line. Thus, on the example 15, a frequency polygon can be drawn from the histogram and is shown below. Okay. From this one, you can see the height, okay, the histogram. Okay, but you can change this one to the frequency. Okay, you can see the frequency one by one. Okay. Okay, next example, the frequency polygon shows the time taken by a group of participants to complete the fun run in park. Okay, here we have 3 questions. Okay, from the data given. Find the total number of the participants in the fun run. Find the number of participants who record a time of 15 minutes to 20 minutes to complete the run. By observing the shape of the frequency polygon, make an inference based on the distribution of time taken by participants. Okay, the solution is total number of participants is 10 plus 24 plus 30 plus 36 plus 12 plus 8 is 110 participants. The answer is 24 participants recorded a time of 16 until 20 minutes. And the answer of C, most of the participants recorded a time of 50 minutes to 30 minutes to complete the run. Okay, what is the importance of representing data ethically? Data representation helps us to analyze and interpret data much easier. We need to represent the data ethically to avoid confusion. Okay, remember, avoid confusion. To represent the data ethically, the scale used on the representation must be consistent and start with a 0. Okay. The data display must be accurate. Okay. We see the example. Okay, here is the football goal scoring. The bar chart shows the number of goals scored by 4 football numbers in the Permai District Football League. Is the number of goals scored by Adam the number of goals scored by Ravi? Explain your answer. In your opinion, does this bar chart clearly represent the number of goals scored by the players? You see the answer. The answer of A. Number of goals scored by Adam is 15. Okay. Number of goals scored by Ravi is 10. Thus, the number of goals scored by Adam is not twice the number of goals scored by Ravi. Okay. So you just explain the answer. Okay. Question B, your opinion. Okay. So no, the information displayed is misleading. Okay. The scale in the vertical axis should start from 0. So means that it not start with 0 here. Start with 6. Okay. Okay. Next example, the pie chart shows the grades obtained by a group of students in mathematics test. Does this pie chart display data accurately? Explain your answer. So this one is the pie student grade in the mathematics test. So the solution is you need to find out the percentage. So 22 plus 36 plus 28 plus 10 is the 96. Okay. So this one is all the percentage here. So no, because the total percentage in the pie chart is not equal to 100. So means that when you do the chart part, it must be 100% for the percentage. Okay. Means this one is not correct. Okay. So you just explain. Okay, from the data given. So thanks for watching this video. Okay, so means that we already finished for the chapter 12. Okay, so bye bye.